You are the match. God is striking you this weekend. Follow Him. Go to your campus. Touch those coals. Follow Him, and we will see a campus transform. Here's my question for you today. Who's ready to sell out? Who's ready to sell out?
He's holy love. And if you don't understand holiness, then you won't understand His love. And that's why so much of the confused version of God, spirituality just simply means, when people say, I'm not a religious, I'm spiritual, that means they pray before they have premarital sex.
To start a unique operation forming operative teams of retired military operatives to begin to go in and augment law enforcement, to build cases against predators that would result in convictions, and over time people would realize that in America first and ultimately around the world, you do not get away with raping children and putting children into child sexual slavery.